Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're holding a Visa gift card and wondering how to integrate it into your Apple Wallet for seamless payments in 2025, you're in the perfect spot. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it super easy to manage your funds on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025. This not only keeps your device secure but also ensures compatibility with new features in Apple Wallet. Head to Settings, General, Software Update to check and install any updates if needed. Now, open the Wallet app on your home screen. It's the one with the wallet icon. You can't miss it. Once you're in, look for the plus button in the upper right corner and give it a tap. This is your gateway to adding new cards. Next, from the options that appear, select debit or credit card. Even though it's a gift card, it falls under this category for Apple Wallet. You'll then be prompted to add your card details. You can use your iPhone's camera to scan the card for a quick setup, or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back. After entering the details, Apple might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a quick text message or email from your card issuer with a verification code. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once verified, your Visa gift card will appear in your wallet. A couple of tips to make this smooth. Double-check that your gift card is activated and has a balance before adding it. Also, keep in mind that not all Visa gift cards work with Apple Pay, so if you encounter any issues, contact the card issuer for help. And there you have it. You're all set to use your Visa gift card with Apple Wallet for contactless payments, in stores or online. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.